Welcome back to DadHacks. If you watched my last video, you saw that I broke the turnbuckles on the lower arms of the 3-point hitch while I was trying to clear out that thicket, and that definitely cut short how much I was able to do and how deep I was able to push that bush hog. So I ordered from Amazon the new stabilizer bars that are solid yet still adjustable. I looked at Messick.com first. They certainly had them, but they were about $100 cheaper on Amazon for what looked like the same bar, so I went that route. Just got them the other day, and getting ready to put them on and give you a look at what they are able to do. So that wasn't too bad, just a few pins and they were on and pretty solid. And I'll flip you around here and give it a good shake, and you'll see how much more stable that it is, and it should do a pretty good job, especially on something heavy like that bush hog. All right, there they are, and they're adjusted for the width of my bush hog. My Pat's quick change extension with the bar, I have it marked on there for my different implements. This is the width of the bush hog, and you can see, I mean, they are really not moving. When you get them cinched down nice and tight, that shouldn't sway at all, and I should be able to work in very close to trees that I don't really want to hit. I don't have to worry about it swaying. So we're going to get it hooked up and attack that thicket one more time. So final thoughts on the new stabilizer bars. They worked really well. I was quite impressed. I didn't have enough time to really get into the same side of the front thicket that I had been working on. I had a couple of things that I had to drop off and do about halfway through. So focused on the other side of the driveway, which was still a mess, but I didn't have as much pushing up into the trees. But definitely a lot less swaying when I would back into the mess, and the wheel would spin around and that kind of stuff. It didn't jerk the brush hog over into the tires or anything like that. It was a much more stable hitch, and everything seemed to work a lot better. So quite pleased with the additions. Definitely something I would recommend. It worked a ton better than the turnbuckles, and the Amazon price really wasn't too bad. So that is a buy. And I hope you all enjoyed watching. I'll post another one when I can finally get back to the original thicket that I started on, and we'll see how that ends up turning out. It should be a lot better than what it is. But I'll catch y'all on the next go round.